Welcome to my live classes. So anybody wants to have any doubts, please comment. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Today I am going to explain a little bit about stomata, which I might be also taking some help of Nepali and Hindi language, so wherever is required. So first thing about stomata is stomata are present on the upper surface of the leaf and lower surface of the leaf. So when we say upper and lower surface, that we should know, we call that as dorsal and ventral surface. Mostly on the top surface of the leaf, the stomata are not present. Suppose you know leaf, let's say the plain portion of the leaf is facing towards up, and then rough portion is facing towards down. So this is called dorsal and this is called ventral. So because sunlight falls directly on this upper surface, so here the stomata number is less, whereas most of the stomata are found on the lower surface, so that the loss of water is less. You know, stomata helps in transpiration. That means the loss of water due to sunlight or excess heat is called as transpiration, and for that opening and closing of stomata, presence of stomata is very very important. So ऊपर की तरफ अगर स्टोमेटा ज़्यादा होंगे तो पानी ज़्यादा एवापोरेट हो जाएगा, जिससे प्लान्ट विल्ट हो सकता है, भनेको प्लान्टहरू मर्न सक्छ है। माथि पानी माथि स्टोमेटा धेरै त्यही भएर हुँदैन, तल धेरै हुन्छ। मतलब नीचे की तरफ ज़्यादा स्टोमेटा होते हैं, टुवर्ड्स डाउन साइड देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोमेटास, whereas upper side there are less stomata. Upper side means the one which is facing toward the sunlight. Okay, now when we talk about the stomata consists of actually the word stomata indicates a pore or opening, whereas the opening is guarded by two big cells, special cells, which are called as guard cells. We have that guard cells are either bean shaped or dumbbell shaped. If you talk about dicot plants, then it is in bean shape and or kidney shape, whereas if you talk about monocot plants, then it is dumbbell shape. You know dumbbell, you do exercise dumbbell, yes, that shape. Okay, so that is in monocot, whereas bean shape or kidney shape is in dicot. And surrounding these guard cells, there are some special cells called as subsidiary cells or accessory cells, which are supporting that guard cells. Okay, and inside these cells, in guard cells, there are so many chloroplasts, because of which the whole leaf appears to be green in color, right? In chloroplast there is lot of chlorophyll pigment which is green in color, due to which whole leaf appears to be green. Now when we talk about the stomata opening and closing, obviously during daytime most of the stomata will be closed, and during night time it gets opened, so that there is exchange of gases also, as well as loss of water also. So now when we talk about other things about the stomata, we see small round shaped bodies, protein bodies, which are called pyrenoids, and these pyrenoids helps in storing of starch, and that nucleus helps in nucleus helps in controlling all the parts of the plant. So actually in every cell there is a nucleus, and every cell which is living except one cell called as sieve tubes, except one cell called as sieve tubes, there is no nucleus. So whereas in animals also we know that red blood cells, that is erythrocytes, do not have nucleus when it is mature, whereas all other cells have nucleus. So that's what nucleus has major role in controlling the cell as well as body. So that is one of the most important part of all the cells whenever you make it. Okay, here when we are making a guard cell, then in the center we are going to make a dark color spot called as nucleus, which contains genetic material or DNA, and that is very very essential for every cell to survive and multiply. Okay, that's what today about the stomata. Anything else, if you have any doubts about the stomata, you can ask me in the comments, so that I will help you. Thank you, bye bye, take care.